Okay, we got how many cans? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a minute, I lose count. 12? 12 cans of mushrooms. 2 of them are the mushroom broth, and they've been popping like crazy. And of course, when I start recording, they're not popping. So far we've heard, oh, there's a pop. So they've been popping. They'll just take a little bit. They're boiling like crazy. I don't know if you can see here. This camera's got a light on it, and I don't know why it's lighting up like that, but they're still boiling, so. Okay. Oh, there's another pop. What I think is pop, pop, fizz, fizz. Oh, what a relief it is. We love mushrooms. But I'm going to let the rest of these pop. We're going to leave them set all night. I'll probably cover them with a towel. And there we go. Michigan Mike out.